Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can scrap data from Google Map for free. So first you have to come to the Chrome extension and you have to search for Instant Data Scraper, and you can see I have already installed it and you can see the reviews here. It's decent. Now what we are going to do is we are going to visit Google Maps. Now we will search HVAC companies in Melbourne, Australia. So you can see the results that we have gotten after making the search term. And if you move the map, new results will be shown to us. If you zoom in, zoom out, new results will be shown as well. So we don't like this table after clicking on Instant Data Scraper extension, so we will select different table by clicking on try another table, and I like this one, so I will rename it. So basically we would need business name, ratings, and the total number of reviews. And we can name it industry. Basically all of these Google Business Profile provides HVAC services, and this is their exact location. You can name the column as per your choice, so that's not a big deal. And of course you can change the names after exporting it as well in a spreadsheet or Excel, but we will export it in copy paste it in a spreadsheet. So first we are going to get rid of all the unnecessary columns here and rename certain columns. And now we will start crawling. I'm reshaping the bar a bit here so that I can move the mouse bar as per my liking, and I will set it to 60 so that if I take some time to move the cursor and it takes time to show results, the crawling doesn't stop. So you can see crawling has been started and we are getting results, and I'm continuously going to move the mouse cursor here so that new results keep on coming. You can zoom in, zoom out to get new results at a certain area, and you can move it on the upper side, down side, left and right to get new results as well. The crawling is continuing in the background, so don't worry about it. You can see a yellow shade on the left side of the screen here. It means that crawling is being continued in the background. So it will take some time. So if we go to our desired instant scraper bar, here you can see the results that we have gotten. Now we are going to copy paste it in our desired spreadsheet. and here you can see the total number of reviews is marked as minus. So we are going to go to ChatGPT and we will copy paste the total reviews here and tell it to convert this information into a table and remove the minus. Okay, so it has given us a table and we are going to copy paste this into our total reviews column. You can see the minus sign is gone and we have our desired sheet, but I believe some errors in the spreadsheet was there, so minus on the last few rows are still there, so we are going to manually get rid of them. So we are almost done. So you can see on the last row we had a certain number and on the first row we have a certain number as well and it matches. So our informations are properly here in the spreadsheet. Now we don't have email address, so for cold outreach we will need email address. So we have to go to the website of each row and after visiting each website we can use an extension that will provide us the email address so that we don't have to visit the bottom or middle part of a website. If we go to Chrome Web Store, here you can search email extractor. I will provide the link of this extension in the description of the video so that you don't have to manually search it. So we will copy the email address and paste it after inserting a column here with the name email. But keep it in mind, when using the extension after visiting a website, you have to give it some time to like scan the web page to collect the email address. Okay, here what we are going to do is we are going to collect all the email addresses from each website, and sometimes the email addresses may not be available on the website. In in those cases you can see if a Facebook page is embedded in the website or not. If it is there, you can visit their Facebook page and collect their email address from there. For instance, this website doesn't have an email address, so we can visit their Facebook profile and collect the email address from there. And another important thing is, beside this, please take some time and for a few rows of here manually check the rating numbers and total reviews using the map link, okay, because sometime the extension can give you wrong result. So you can see after organizing the spreadsheet it looks like this, and this is how you can scrap data from Google Business Profiles, and you have the email addresses as well, and you can use these ratings, reviews and business name to create a personalized email. And in the next video I will show you how you can use this exact sheet to send a personalized email to each business in a single click. Yes, you heard it right. So watch my next video and I will show you the exact way how you can do this. And thanks for sticking till the end, and I will highly appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel and send and give your feedbacks on the comment section. Thanks for watching.